Okay, so this is my interactive module planning template. So my lesson topic is physical education, and off of this, I'm looking at Indiana Standard 5. The physically literate individual recognize the value of physical activity for health enjoyment, challenge, self-expression, and/or social interaction. The target audience is fifth grade, and then the rest is the IM platform. So here's the learning objective, and it says given a PowerPoint with description/content on physical activities and previous knowledge, students should be able to create an outline of physical activities that them and their classmates could perform in an hour-long session. So the main point that I drew from this is that the students will be able to be assigned with the task of analyzing different physical activities and discover the different benefits of those activities. For this, I'm going to use Powtoons and also the interactive PowerPoint that will be given for subpoint 1 and subpoint 2. And the students will use what they have done in the past and research to describe and perform physical activities that will benefit them and their classmates. And then with Powtoons, which is something the students will be given, that'll show them different exercises that they could possibly use in their outline. Subpoint 1 is learning the health benefits of the exercise, and subpoint 2 is learning the mental benefits of an exercise. And the students will be able to research different health benefits of each exercise so that they know why it's beneficial, and that is the same with the mental exercise. And they'll be given the same, different interactive PowerPoints that state the mental and the health benefits of each exercise that'll help them with subpoint 1 and subpoint 2. And the instructional planning for each, they're all pretty interactive and creative. And subpoint 1 and subpoint 2, those will also be interactive. And then the resources that I use were also listed up there are Powtoons and PowerPoint, and those were chosen because I felt as if those were the ones that could express what I'm trying to have the students do easiest.